Ladies and gentlemen.
That's my key.
360. You want some? So pretty.
Ladies and gentlemen.
God stick to me. Unbelievable. So beautiful. Wow. I feel like we have it to ourselves. Trying to get a shot before everybody answers. There's the day.
Nice to go behind.
And look at those beautiful rocks. Yeah, yeah.
Finger up here, too.
Opportunity to walk behind the waterfall here. Isn't this something? And then you just walk on that ridge. Woo! And then you get to see it from behind. And then it tells you not to go beyond this point. I don't think anybody's going to go beyond this point. That's nice. Crew. See? You walk along this way. Here's Michelle.
Airplane mode.
Up under the waterfall, yeah! Yeah, baby! Never been in a situation where I can see that waterfall from this viewpoint. Wow. Most of the trail at this particular point is like on that ridge. And you can see everything. Running battery low.
Dizzy.
I wish we could. Last waterfall. It is so beautiful. We have done, I think, 9 miles. And we are rewarded with our last waterfall. Ah, my God. Wow, this is great. Isn't it beautiful though? He's actually feeling that. See that car right there? That's the best view all day. Fruit. Oh. This is what happens when you are tired. Oh, Lord. I am really that up there. Let me try to go slow.
I'm sitting like you. Oh, sorry, my face in the way. I love it a lot.
Are you okay that we don't have Oreo right now?
Yes, I don't want an Oreo in it. Okay. Mom! Thank you.